Here's what's making news on Roadshow. The Chevrolet Suburban RST is just an appearance package, but a new performance pack seeks to remedy that. The RST Performance Package adds a 420 horsepower 6.2-liter V8 in conjunction with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It also adds GM's amazing magnetic ride control suspension. If that's not enough, both a boreless side exit exhaust and Brembo front brakes are on offer too. The Kia Niro EV has finally broken cover and it looks like a Niro. Kia unveiled its EV hatchback in Korea today. It uses the same batteries as the Hyundai Kona Electric, which in this car will deliver either 150 or 236 miles of range depending on the buyer's preference. There's still no word when the US spec Niro EV will be unveiled or when we'll learn more specifications, but we do know that it launches in Korea later this year. Expect a US model to go on sale in either late 2018 or early 2019. Volkswagen has a powerful GTI up its sleeve. VW will soon debut the GTI TCR, a race-inspired hot hatch with 286 horsepower and 272 pound-feet of torque, which will make it one of the most powerful GTI variants ever made alongside the Club Sport. It'll retain front-wheel drive and it sports some properly aggressive looks thanks to larger wheels and fancier bumpers. It'll be unveiled at the Wörthersee VW Festival in Austria on May 9th. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com, and we'll talk to you on Monday.